Hi, have you ever realized that the T and D sounds that we use in English are actually different than the T and D sounds that we use in Spanish and Catalan? Well, they are. In Spanish, if you say the word tengo, can you repeat the D sound many times? Can you say da, da, da with me? Yes? What is it that you feel? The tip of your tongue is touching your teeth, isn't it? From behind, right? Da, da, da. You can actually see it. Da, da, da. It's the same with da, 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 right? So you say words like tengo or ting in Catalan, doy, dono, and so on, right? These sounds are called dental in Spanish and Catalan because the tip of our tongue is touching the teeth. Now in English, they're different. In English, they're what's called alveolar. Alveolar sounds are those sounds that are produced with the tip of our tongue, or the part behind the tip, touching not the teeth, but the part behind the teeth. I would like you to, with the tip of your tongue, go from your teeth a little bit backwards, right? What is it that you feel? There's a little ridge there. That's the alveolar ridge. Can you feel that? Yes? So if you don't touch your teeth and you just touch this little ridge that you have after behind the teeth, that's the alveolar ridge, and you produce words like t, 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 d, 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 right? So it's not da, but t. When I say t, the tip of my tongue is not touching the teeth. No contact with the teeth, right? Okay, shall we try this with a few words? Let's say words such as tennis, tennis. Notice, if we say this in a Spanish accented way, that would be tenis, te, tenis. But we want to say tennis, tennis. Taxi, right? Can you hear the difference? We can say towel or toy, right? And the same with D. We can say lady, D. Or we can say dice or diary. So again, if we say, for example, a word such as dad, that has two D sounds, right? If I say it in a Spanish way, in a Spanish accented way, that would be dad, dad. Notice, dad, right? With a dental sound. But I want to use an alveolar sound. We need to use alveolar sounds. So we're going to say dad, dad. Can you hear the difference between dad, 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 dad? So what I'm doing is I'm touching my teeth with the tip of my tongue for a dental sound for Spanish, and I'm touching the alveolar ridge for an alveolar sound in English. Yes? Good. Right, let's practice now with some words that have T and D in English. Yes? Remember, you shouldn't feel any contact between the tip of your tongue and your upper teeth. You want to touch the part behind the teeth, the alveolar ridge. Okay? So you have to say t, and d, not da, da. Right? Are you ready? Repeat after me. Take, tall, time, tea, team, potato, test, today, touch, task, tough. Good. And now with D. Daily, dance, degree, dare, dark, data, date, daughter, deal, dear. Well done! So I hope this video helps you producing T and D. Remember, it's not t, but t and d. Okay? I'll see you in another video.